Peace, family. Um, right now we're looking at the EurUsd, 3 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. So Europe just opened up, and literally, as you can see, as expected, we're having a bit of a rise up as the European markets open as we expected. Um, you know, we've been really kind of looking at this little choppy pattern here in the impending breakout for quite some time. We counted it as a triangle, A, B, C, D, E, or A, B, C, A, B, C, D, E. So it's either A, B, C, D, E, or A, B, C, and the D is larger, and then E terminated right here, right? So we're calculating 318 pips up from this, either this terminus or this terminus to 2178. Either way, we expect a ferocious movement up. And this is part of a wave 5 of a larger degree, 5-wave movement. So we're expecting it to be about 3 to 4 market days and be about 318 pips if it follows a tendency of typically wave 5s are about equal in length and or time of wave 1. So that's where we're at. This is this 4th wave triangle of sorts, and again, this is the beginning of what we expect to be a ferocious movement up, or we're wrong. But as you can see, even on the minutes, literally as we're talking, things are confirming. We use all types of, geometry when it comes to kind of utilizing classical technical analysis, but we're also utilizing Elliott wave principle. So on a larger degree, this is a count, right? This is an Elliott wave count that we have here. This was a wave 1, 2, and then we had a extended wave 3. So it was extended wave 3. This is the 3rd wave terminus, and then this choppy little pattern here ended, and then we started going up here. So again, we expect something similar. So classic Elliott wave, that's kind of how it would work. We'll actually just be able to make this parallel. What I do? Okay, so now so we have a bit of a channel here, and again, this was the 3rd wave terminus, 4th wave, so we're expecting a 5th wave movement here, and I believe our target, our first target is 25.03 or something like that. So that would be that. I mean, ideally, we would love for it to happen sooner than later. We would love for it to be a ferocious movement up, and all this happens in the next 2 market sessions, which is very possible as well. We can really kind of count, if we had to count, when this started. So when did this triangle terminate in time-wise? A, B, C, D, E. So we could have, if it terminated on last Friday or the last market session, then we had one, kind of like Sunday was like half a session, 1.5, 2, 2.5, let's say about 2.5 days more. That'll be Wednesday. Really, sometimes it's between Thursday and Friday. Ideally, we could see this, really kind of meeting the time requirements. If my math is right, if my math is right. So yeah, between Thursday and Friday, us actually meeting those targets, and 318 pips up from 121.93. Yeah, I think 125.11, something to that degree, something like that. 125.11, 125.10. So, yeah, that would have us kind of up in this area, and definitely can see that being the case. And so that's kind of like where our take profit is, man, like the 125 level. And there's other implications as well. Really look at this 125 level is extremely important. You got a resistance level, major resistance level here at 125.56, 125. That area is, really going to be impactful. So, I guess the 23.86 level is going to be somewhat of importance as well, technically. As you can see, there's kind of like some trend line confluence, which is always a somewhat of an indicator or indication. So yeah, man, that's what we have there. Now, we never want to just look at one market. We want to say, okay, what's going on in the UK right now? Okay, we see what's going on in the UK. Ferociousness. That's what's going on in the UK right now. Ain't no retrace level. Take that retracement level. What? Ferociousness, guys. Yeah. So that's further confirmation. Then we want to go see, okay, well, what happened in Asia? Asia's a couple hours ahead of everybody. Whoa. Okay, that's what the tweak is. Oh, okay. Also, risk is on. Okay. Oh, okay, that's what's going on. Okay. All right. Okay, well, what else? Look at everything in Europe. We have gaps here, but nevertheless, we are extremely bullish. So let's take a look at the VIX. Okay, well, the VIX looked like it had a bit of a bullish movement up yesterday, but definitely found level of resistance and ended up closing momentum under 65. So that's pretty indicative. And again, Europe is and Asia have pretty much said what the deal is going to be. See what gold is doing. Gold will likely be more sideways than anything if risk is fully on. I mean, it's definitely not something that will likely falter, but risk is on, baby. People are into more risky investments right now, but definitely still looks bullish. How powerful will the breakout be for gold right now? I'm not sure. And technically, it's still in somewhat of a channel. Technical channel here. So, it's got to break out of this channel. And it's looking like as it came towards this channel, started making lower highs. So that's, from a technical standpoint. Then if I went down and saw, okay, what's going on in a lower time frame here, started making lower momentum highs as well. Okay, well, let's see how we interact here. Can we get back above this 1890 level per se? We'll see. If I had to go on a 1 minute level, see something happened here. Something's happening. Everything's pretty much bullish right now. Let's go back. So, and the setup. All right, so we're rising now. We're going, rocking and rolling now. Rocking and rolling. Again, we're really want to have a burst up here and, test these levels. Today, we can, we'll lower and we'll take some profits in this range. If we can get in this range, then there'll likely be some capitulation before we meet our initial targets. So we're really kind of like in this, looking for this take profit range here. There'll be some resistance in the mid to high 23s, but we're going to shoot past there and really be looking for the spikes to get the take profits right there. That's what we're interested in. Take profit zone. It's definitely a take profit zone. So You know, if we can get a pop today, you know, up to this level, I mean, that'd be level. That definitely would be level. But everything is risk on right now. That's where we're at, folks. Signing off. C-Vision. C-Vision Trading. This is chat. I'm going to sleep, man. Stop losses are on. Take profits are on. You know.